Hello, I'm Sarah Janes from Soap School, and in today's session I thought we'd make Figgy Oat Bars. The first thing you're going to need is some standard melt and pour, and you'll also need some rolled oats. And finally we're going to be using some dried figs. Now I'm also going to be adding in a fragrance oil. You could use an essential oil too. And in this one I could use a fig fragrance, but I'm actually going to be using vanilla. So the first thing that we need to do is to take our melt and pour, and we need to microwave it just on a medium setting. Now once your glycerin soap base has been melted down, you are going to need to probably cool it for a little while. And whilst that's happening, you can grind down your oats until they're much finer. So we've literally just put these into a food grinder and ground them down until they're nice and fine. And I'm going to chop open my dry figs, and inside you'll see we've got all these beautiful seeds. That's what we're going to be adding in. So just go ahead and cut them open. We're using 4 dried figs, and then we're going to spoon all of that lovely goodness into our soap base. So just take a spoon, and we want all of the seeds and the center of these in our soap. It's a beautiful exfoliating bar. Don't throw away the rest of it, because you can use that in flapjacks or all sorts of other things, but it's the seeds that I really want out of this. I've never seen fig seeds for sale on their own. If you've seen them, do let me know. It's something that I would love to try. And just scrape all those gorgeous seeds out. I'm going to add my fragrance oil as well. And then that needs a really good mixing. Now if the soap base is too warm, all of the bits are going to just go straight to the bottom. And that can actually be quite a nice effect, but it's not the effect I'm going for. Just break those chunks up as much as you can, because it's those seeds, those beautiful exfoliating seeds that I'm after. And then we can also add in our ground oats and give that a good mixing in too. And then we're ready to start pouring that into our molds. Now you could do a loaf, but I'm going to just put it in some baking molds. We're just going to fill few of these beautiful soap bars up. Don't these look absolutely gorgeous? Now I'm just going to spritz the top with some alcohol just to finish them off, and I'm going to let those set, and we'll see how they come out in a little while.